Okay, here is the 2018 Ford F-250 Super Duty Lariat with the 6.7 liter Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. This video is just going to show you the exterior, interior, and the backup camera and the startup, just showing you the true condition of the truck. As you can see, the panels and glass and everything lines up. It's never been wrecked. It's never been painted. It's got your tow package, also has your bed cover. Your side rails. Truck's in excellent condition. So we'll go ahead and start it up. So let's lock it. Go ahead and show you the interior. Trim's really healthy. Aluminum trim, wood. The leather is black stitch interior. No rips, no tears, no stains, nothing. All your power options, windows, doors, mirrors. So we'll go ahead and put the key in. Let's go put my seatbelt on to show you all lights work, nothing's on. 10,815 miles. You do have your heated and cooled seats. And backup camera. Well, appreciate you tuning in. This is again the 2018 Ford F-250 Lariat. Appreciate you.